tracer.
I'm already chaser. Fading sunrise in the dark, glimmering shadows.
You should have gone for the head.
I don't feel so good.
Colors weave into a spire of flame. Distant sparks call to a past still unnamed. Bear this torch.
Some spirits even help you fill up your gauge at a faster rate.
On that day, when the sky fell away, our world gave way. Colors weave into a spire of flame. Distant sparks call to a past still unnamed.
We'll each need to take down about 10.
Stow your fear. It's now or never.
We'll win this. I know we will.
Main review!
Hello, what's this? This plaque is...
Seems to be in great spirits tonight. He's really putting on a show for this capacity crowd.
Be back in a minute, all right?
Creed is down. With sound, and he could be badly hurt.
That's all, folks.
I'm supposed to be the fastest, but I was too slow to save my buddy.
Colors weave into a spire of flame. Distant sparks call to a past still unnamed. Bear this torch against the
No way. I'm gonna get you out of here. I promise you, I'm gonna get you out of there. You don't believe.
Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
We'll each need to take down about 10.
Stow your fear. It's now or never.
We'll win this. I know we will. I don't feel so good.
Don't let a single one get away!
We'll each need to take down about...
This is no place to die.
You're alright. I don't know what's happening. I don't know.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
That's got to be the best parrot I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Good morning, Krusty Krab. Good morning, Krusty Krab. Good morning, Krusty Krab.
What's wrong? Snake! Snake!
We'll each need to take down about 10.
Stow your fear. It's now or never.
I'm about to sing a song. Move! Get out the way!
Yo, someone just got me this plant. Make some noise for this plant.
All right, seniors, let's open these windows so the world can see your nice white clothes.
Colors weave into a spire of flame. Colors weave into a spire of flame.
Snake, to eliminate that kid. Yeah, whatever you say, Colonel. Sorry, kid, but you'll die.
Okay.
Boss, you killed a child.
Amazing. Mission complete. That right there is why you're the best, boss. The one and only.
What is with the lighting in this?
Well, 50 seconds now. So what happens when it clocks over to 10,000? We're about to find out. Here we go.